Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad and I'm back with another unboxing. Actually it's a triple unboxing. I cannot put this thing into frame. So we have this big Zodiac box and two small pouch that I have borrowed from a friend of mine whom I know from he's actually a buyer for my Zin 556A. Yes, I've sold that watch. He traded it with some cash and also two pieces, which is the Vintage Orient and the West End Watch Company, a Switch watch. I've made the video for those two pieces, and please go ahead and check out my video reviews for them. So anyway, before we do this unboxing, I would like to do a quick wristwatch check because the box is so huge. I'm gonna take it off for a while. This is my Aubris Morgan Predator in black. This is my first ever automatic watch, and it is I use it on this camouflage style silicone strap. Okay, so let's get to the unboxing. So we'll do this, take off this for a while. Okay, let's do this. Absolutely huge Zodiac box. I don't know, this thing weighs a kilo I think. So let's take the cover off. And we have another box, a red colored box, so but we can slide this one out. So let's take out this box. Oh, it is a plastic box. So anyway, so let's see what is inside here. So we have the instruction manual. Don't really want to delete that. After sales services, and we have this warranty booklet. So yeah, I'm not gonna go through this one because I borrow it, so I don't really care. Right, so next, right, so what is in the box? Okay, so again we have this plastic box with a Zodiac logo here and Zodiac logo down here, and it is a screwed hinge box. Nice presentation box, but sadly we couldn't really use it for any other purpose than just showing the watch. Let's see what is inside the box. Right, boom, yeah. That is one heck of a big watch, right? Oh man, the cushion is so tight. God, no, come on. Right, so luckily there's nothing there's nothing more inside. So wow, that is an absolute mammoth of a Zodiac watch. I have no idea what this is. It is a quartz watch, as you can see. Let's take it off the pillow. Oh, nice signed Zodiac clasp here, and like that, just a friction. So we have this hinge style bracelet here. Alright, so okay, let's take the box out of the way. Yes, you can see again. Wait a minute, what is the name of this watch? Zodiac. It's called the Zodiac Super Sea Dragon. Yeah, Sea Dragon, huh? Okay, so Sea Dragon, yep. Wow, that's huge. Oh my god. I know I'm gonna do some research over these three watches that I'm going to review, but this is just an unboxing so that you can see what is inside here. And maybe if you guys want to know more about this watch, please go ahead and give me your questions or comments down below. So basically you can see here that this is a GMT watch. We have your normal time here, and we have that this is maybe the, let me see if I can focus for you. Yep, there is the second time zone here, and we have a rotating bezel here, right? Maybe it's 120 click, and we also have the I don't know if you can see here, there's a city name here. So let me see if I can rotate this. Oh, you can rotate it. Okay, so yeah, that's new. Right, so we have a Zodiac sign low screw down maybe not so screw down, is it? No, it is just a push-pull crown. And if I put it on my 6.57 inch wrist, boom, yeah, that is absolutely huge. This is like wearing a small plate on my wrist. Wow, that's just huge. Okay, so let's get to the second watch. Right, so let's take off this watch. Oh my god, and put it here so that you guys can view it. Oh, so this is the extra link, so I'm not gonna be adjusting the strap or whatsoever, so I'm going to just put it back inside the box. So let's see number 2. Right, so we're gonna give last one. Right, so we have fortunately Eric has been putting this logo here, so he knows which one is which. So this is a Fortis, the first Fortis ever on my watch, on my annual watch YouTube channel. So what is it, guys? So let's see. Right, nice, cool box, huh? Right, so what is this? Wow, this is a square Fortis watch. This is nice. I haven't seen any of this particular watch review on YouTube. I've watched tons of YouTube videos. I've never seen this model being reviewed by any other YouTuber. So you have a matte black dial here, a what do you call this, a Flieger style or a pilot's watch style round inner dial, and we have this square shape. I think maybe this is about 42mm from here to here. I'm not really sure. We'll get a caliper in the full review. So we have not a sine crown. It is a sine crown, but it is not a screw down crown. And we have, okay, so the model name is Fortis Square, and I believe we have the ETA 2893 because we have this day and date complication here. So maybe it is a ETA 2823. I'm gonna double check that. Okay, so let's see how it looks on my wrist. Boom. Yeah, alright, so that's nice. Wow, I never really think that I would like a square watch, but this is huge, man. Take a look at that chunk of metal there. Damn, this thing might be like, I don't know, 15mm height. Definitely not going to slide under your shirt cuff. Nope, that's not gonna happen. But wow, that's just cool Fortis watch. Okay, the first ever Fortis on my channel. So let's get to best of the bunch. Yeah, right, so best of the bunch. Okay. Next up. No, I'm not gonna steer. You know what? Okay. Anyway, so let's get to the thing. So, dang, yay! It is a Seiko Speed Timer Bullhead Kakume. Okay, so yeah, very long name, but I believe the official number for this particular Seiko Speed Timer is, let me see, I can't remember. It is a 6138. The movement number is 0031 is the case shape. So we have the famous bullhead chronograph. We have this famous Kakume, or the square eyes of the for this minute timer, and also the hour timer, and we have also the day and date here, which makes it looks really damn cool. These things have gone up to $1,000, guys. 1K for a 40 years old watch. Alright, so how cool is that? Oh man, check out that case, that side profile of the case. Yep, you can see it's thicker here, it's thinner here, and the lug fortunately it is a 20mm lug. So how nice is that? So apparently Eric doesn't have the original bracelet, so he put it on this cool Hirsch pure caoutchouc or caoutchouc and I cannot spell that, caoutchouc rubber strap, and this is so much It's really comfortable. So you can see that there is a H logo here, and we have H plus down here. So I'm not really sure what that means, but still a very nice strap for this particular Seiko speed timer. Yep. Wow, that's nice. That's nice. I'm a Seiko fanboy. So when Eric showed me the picture of this watch, and he said, do you want to review this one? I said, yeah, of course, man. That is a very cool watch. Okay, so I'm gonna put it like that. Come on. Okay, so yep, on my 6.75 inch wrist, not too bad, not really that big, but because of the shape of this watch, you can't really see the strap here, so you can only see this part of the strap, which is not a bit unbalanced to me, but yeah, not that bad, man, not that bad. Okay, so yep. Okay, so that is my unboxing of these 3 cool pieces from Eric, a buyer of my watch, who eventually became a watch enthusiast in Malaysia. Apparently he has lots more interesting watches that he said that I could review, right? He could borrow them to me for review, which is really cool. I just wish I could have more time to do these videos for you guys. Anyway, so if you guys would like to ask anything about these 3 watches, please go ahead and put your comments down below, or put your questions down in the comment section below, so I will try to answer them for you in my full review. Maybe I will do the review sometime, maybe next week or maybe next 2 weeks. So anyway, I will have to return this watch, by the way. So this is not my watch, this is a borrowed watch, so I'm gonna be using it with super extra careful. So Eric, don't you worry, I take a good care of your babies. Anyway, so if you guys like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you like to see future videos such as this, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the bell button here so that you won't miss any of my future content. So until next time, I wish you all good, in great health. Enjoy your watches, and bye bye.